The Congress party now stands accused of possibly creating vaccine hesitancy that India was already battling and now furthering it, derailing the vaccine drive to contain the COVID pandemic. Congress leader and also the social media voice, who's the national coordinator of its social media team of Congress, Gaurav Pandey, has made a stunning claim against Made in India Covaxin. Pandey is the coordinator of the social media of Congress party, claiming that cow calves are slaughtered for Bharat Biotech's vaccine and that cow blood is used in Covaxin. He has said that Covaxin has clotted blood obtained from less than 20-day young cow calves and after slaughtering them. Pandey has slammed the Bharatiya Janata Party for betraying the faith and belief of people. After this claim by the Congress leader on social media site Twitter, the government has issued an immediate clarification saying that the facts have been twisted, misrepresented. The government has said that using a cough serum is a global practice to grow vero cells, which are then used in the production further of vaccines. These vero cells, however, are completely destroyed and an inactivated virus is then used to make the final vaccine. The doctors also are stressing that no calf needs to be killed for the vaccine. Meanwhile, Shiv Sena Member of Parliament Priyanka Chaturvedi slammed the Congress leader, saying that such statements, especially on social media where it easily goes viral and based on an RTI on Covaxin, not a scientific analysis, is only adding to vaccine hesitancy by especially bringing religious sentiments into it.
Now there is this conversation going around on Covaxin based on an RTI response by the Government of India that it consists cow calf serums, which is actually clotted blood obtained after slaughtering the young cow calves. Government should not betray the faith and belief of people. That people should go for the vaccines, yes. That's the only way to defeat the pandemic. Keeping all our faiths and beliefs aside, we should go for the vaccines. But it is equally important for the government to not betray the faith and belief of people and not hide any information. If there is anything as such, make the information public. You cannot betray the people.
RTI में जो तथ्य सामने आए हैं उसका उत्तर सरकार को और भारत बायोटेक को देना चाहिए. उसके बाद इस पर कोई चर्चा हो सकती है.
All right, so precisely to understand the scientific basis of this very sensational and stunning claim by the Congress coordinator of the social media team, is the Congress, with those claims, possibly spreading vaccine hesitancy, or are they just putting facts in public domain? Let's take a look at this. First, the claim is very serious one that calves are killed for serum for Covaxin. Now, according to scientific analysis and experts who have reacted on it have said that the animals are not killed to derive the blood serum. This is huge because this could have led a lot of people, especially of one community, to back off from taking the vaccine. Claim, clotted blood obtained from young dead calves. The fact that we have got is that blood is taken from live calves. Now, importantly, with these two, it is important to understand that the vaccine hesitancy is already a battle that the government, that the healthcare workers are fighting, and such claims can only add to it, specifically when it's more political than scientific. We have some news coming in. All right, after the union government, now Bharat Biotech has also released a statement. I quote here, newborn calf serum is used in the manufacturing of viral vaccines. It is used for the growth of cells, but neither used in the growth of SARS-CoV-2 virus nor in the final formulation of the vaccine. The usage of newborn calf serum was transparently documented in the following publications since the last 9 months. Milan Sharma is joining me live on further details coming in on this story. Milan, the fact is that even if there is some scientific evidence to it that he's trying to discuss, why really even bring this issue further? Because this is only going to generate a political storm, but more than that, push people back to even consider before the storm dies down.
Well, definitely, Pooja, it does create a large sense of vaccine hesitancy because the statements given both by the Union Health Ministry as well as the manufacturers of Covaxin, Bharat Biotech, say that the new calf serum is used for maturing the viro cells. No cows are or calves are being slaughtered to do this process. This is a process that's being used to make other vaccines as well, like vaccines for polio, rabies, and influenza. The vaccine component itself does not contain any component from the bovine cattle variety, but it is used to just mature the cells, which are then tested with the SARS-CoV-2 virus.
Yes.
That if the cell is actually interacting with the virus, and what is the kind of reaction that is being seen. Of course, health experts have said that this is a process that's used. We also use animal studies. Remember that vaccines are first tested on animals in clinical trials, and then they come to humans. So this kind of tweet actually gives rise to religious sentiments, which is very, very harmful and creates vaccine hesitancy at a time when India is facing a pandemic.
And of course, the big question, Milan, remains that apart from creating a political storm, was there any other reason that he should have put out this specific claim on social media? Thank you so much, Milan, for all the latest. Now, Chief of the National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization has ruled out any dissenting voice among its members over the decision to increase the gap between Covishield doses. N.K. Arora has said that the interval between 2 doses of the Covishield was increased from 4 to 6 weeks to 12 to 16 weeks on the basis of scientific evidence, and that the decision was taken in a transparent manner. However, 3 of the 14 core members of the NTGAI told Reuters that gap between the 2 doses of the Covishield was doubled without agreement of the scientific group. Meanwhile, politics has erupted already over this simmering issue. Congress Member of Parliament Rahul Gandhi slammed centre, alleging that the government was trying to hide Prime Minister's false image. He further said the country needs a quick and complete vaccination, and defending government stand, Union Health Minister Harshvardhan dismissed all allegations, saying the country has a robust mechanism to evaluate data, and it's unfortunate that such an important issue is being politicized.